everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a big unboxing from Hermes. Look at this big box. Oh, it's really heavy. Let's open this together. I cut it open already. There we go. Heavy. Okay. Whew. Here's the orange box. So exciting. And I guess that's the this is the, yeah, it's the receipt. Let's open this together. Oh, smells like I can smell the fresh bag smell. There you go. Here's the dust bag. What could it be? What do you think? What do you think this bag is? Okay. Oh, so pretty. Are you ready for the reveal? Dun da da da! Ta da! Look! This is Hermes Herbag. Herbag backpack. And this one has this pocket, zipper pocket on the back. I'm feeling it for the first time here and inspecting the bag a little bit. And I am honestly a little disappointed on the quality of the canvas. So let me show you up close. I don't know if camera will capture. It's a little bit, it looks like the canvas is a little bit piled. Can you see? Like here, you can see like it's almost like used canvas or something. It's piled everywhere. It's like when I feel the fabric, it feels rough because of all the piling. So I don't know if this is like the way it's supposed to be. So you can see all the piling here. Is this what it's supposed to be? Like if you have Hermes Herbag, when you first opened a brand new bag, was your canvas piled like this? I was expecting like a smooth canvas. I mean, other than that, the bag looks gorgeous. So I guess this is a little bit loose, so I'm gonna tighten this. Okay, so to undo this. Apparently I don't know how to undo this, how to open this. Apparently I don't know how to open this. So I have old Herbag, and my old Herbag, this opens so easily. So that's why I have this clip here, because it just kind of like opens like this. But this one, I can't seem to undo this. Oh, apparently you just have to like pull it really, really hard. So I open this. Let's remove this and open it. There's some bubble paper, air bubble, and then it has this pouch attached inside there. Even the canvas pouch, the pouch canvas is kind of rough. It's like it's really worn. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. I think you can detach the tag, detach the pouch. So you can detach the pouch if you like. So it's basically attached to the inside of the bag through this. So you can undo this to detach the pouch. And then here's, I don't know what this is. Oh, here's the key and the lock. So I think the key is supposed to go on the back here. So I'm going to open the key and put it on the back here. And then this. Not sure where to attach the key, so maybe like here. Like this on the side. What do you think, guys? Not sure where else I could attach the keys. Okay. Yeah. I try this on for you. So yeah, it's really pretty, and the quality is really great except the canvas. And I guess the canvas is supposed to be like worn out like this. I'm not sure. So if you know about the type of canvas that Hermes use, please comment down below and let me know. The reason I ordered this new Herbag, even though I have this vintage Herbag, is because the vintage Herbag doesn't have the zipper on the bag, zipper pocket on the bag like the new one. This one doesn't have it. Instead, what this does is this comes with an extra bag, I guess pouch that's smaller, and you can interchange this too and make the bag smaller. You can remove the backpack strap and use it as a top handle bag. So that's vintage version. Because this one doesn't have this back pocket, it makes it really difficult to get in and out of the bag, because you have to undo this and open it and then get whatever you need to get out of the bag. Oh, and this is supposed to go in here to secure this hardware in place, but it's loose. It keeps on coming off. Anyway, so like it's really pain in the neck to get in and out of the bag. Like you have to like open it like so and then get the stuff in or out, and then align this, and then put this back on, and then you have to pull this and put it in there, and then pull this one and put it in here, and then tighten it. And this, because it's like really old vintage bag, this doesn't stay tightened, so it's really loose, so it doesn't really stay closed. Anyway, so that's why when I saw the newer version, which has this zippered pocket here, it makes it super functional because I can just keep my phone and wallet in the pocket, and I don't have to like, I can just keep the items that I don't need to frequently access like in the bag, in the backpack itself, and then like keep the items that I need to frequently access, such as my wallet or my key, my phone, in the pocket. So when I saw this upgrade, I was like, oh, I want that backpack. So I've been thinking about it, and then one day it popped up on Hermes website, so I just ordered it. So let's see what fits in the back pocket. Here's my phone. Phone fits in here easily. And then my key. And my wallet. These are really the 3 items that I need quick access, so they all fit in there. I probably cannot close the zipper, but that's okay. I probably need to put them in like so if I want to close the zipper, but that's okay. Oh, I can't close it, so never mind. So they do all fit in there, so that's great. I'm very picky when it comes to backpack because a lot of backpacks out there are not really pretty in my eyes, in my opinion. But I find this backpack really well designed and really pretty and classic. So I really like this. Let's see if my iPad fits in here. Wow, iPad fits no problem. My vintage, I guess it's a little bit smaller, I think, because my vintage model, if I want to keep iPad in here, as you can see, iPad is, I kind of have to maneuver a little bit because it's like right underneath this hardware, so I have to like push that in. So, and then when I try to close it, the iPad is like right below, like right there, so I kind of have to like maneuver it a little bit. But it looks like the newer model is bigger because there is plenty of space between the iPad and this hardware here, so I don't have to maneuver it. There's enough space for iPad. So I guess it's slightly bigger. Again, opening and closing is going to be a little bit of pain, so I don't think I'll be carrying this backpack when I need to open the backpack like so frequently. So it's probably going to be like occasional backpack, but that's okay. I really like this. She's so pretty, right? I like everything about this backpack except the canvas piling. So please do let me know if you know about the Hermes canvas, because I don't really know that much about Hermes canvas. So let me know if it's supposed to be like this, like piling like this. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you. Bye.